Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, boys and us coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, your boy Sinus here. So, as you guys may not know, last night, April the 1st, was the first night of the whole curfew in Jamaica, guys. Started from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. this morning, which is April the 2nd, and it pretty much gonna go on for like 7 days. So there are some videos, guys, that's out, some funny, some not so funny, but I will be basically doing a reaction to it. Alright, so let's get right into it. Video 1 right now we're gonna show is just our Jamaican people just have fun. Yo, me don't know why we stay so just not get nothing serious, but it's funny still. It's just for a couple of seconds still, but it's funny. Alright, watch it. Me not spoil the fun. You know, watch it. Jesus Christ. After the government. Alright peeps, so that's video 1, right? Me they think him gonna pretty much grab something and take it from the shop, from the stall and thing, but only in Jamaica. Anyway peeps, let's go roll to the next video. Video 2 right now. This one well funny. So pretty much what happened is a man there downtown, right? After the curfew time, he's supposed to come off of the road 8 o'clock, right? But him not come off of the road 8 o'clock, alright? And the police them rush him, and pretty much this is what happened. Make you watch it.
Go on! 10 push-ups! Down, push-up! Down! 1, 2, 3!
Look at this dude.
Next one!
Sit up! I'll push up the man. Yo, the man a move.
Come on!
He needs some milk.
Push yourself!
Brother, what you do downtown them hours there night? You not yourself come off a road. My youth, take it. My youth a run like Buster Run. Check it out. The man them say, yo, push up. And the man a move. But anyway, we'll go fast forward to the next video. Whoosh. Alright guys, the video here, a little bit more serious still, is a video where them arrest a vendor pretty much. And police them serious about this curfew thing, guys. You know? But make we get right tonight still. And make gonna see what I go on.
Yo, me no like going to disrespect man, you know, man. Me no like going to disrespect, you know. Yo, but hey, hold on, man, me tell you. Hey, yo, how we are? Me not tell a lie, man. Put him on my food, them in my bag, man. So it's okay, me go in there, man, know, say them all know, them know me, you know. Me not have no. Hold on, man, hold on.
Go ahead to the vehicle. Go ahead to the truck. Go to the truck.
Come. Wait, attempt to go to the truck and all right, me tell you how you do.
Alright peeps, so pretty much based on the location now and how me see this look like out a halfway tree. At the park near the clock. You know, cross the road from Chicken and Ting. Where you have the red Digicel boot them where the vendor them sell. But it look like the man I try to explain to them say I'm not live nowhere or nothing like that, but I don't know. But the police them serious, law is law, come off of the road at them time they still. You know what I mean? But anyway, we could go to the next video. That one you know, pretty much peeps. Very serious. You know, this person, among some other people, outside during the time of the curfew, in the night, and one wise person decided to video himself and him crew pretty much outside to have fun, and he even went on to this even the Prime Minister. You know what I mean? And you know what? I'm gonna watch it and see what happened to him.
Andrew will pick me out there. Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out there, we not going, see there? Life me and make sure go. We out there, we not going. Andrew wanted to suck cock. You can't have a control again, you want from control, man. Go suck your mama. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew them, since bad man friends to there. We not going a blood clot tonight.
Man, this is a big pussy police. Fine. So now go in, see man.
See that? Cause I'm unruly ways. I'm gonna put it up, disobey the law, and there's a reason for the law. We try to corral and contain this thing. And you just always have that one person just behave the most way. One thing you break the law, and then the next thing you go dissolve the Prime Minister. See? You put it on social media, load up yourself, and guess what? Police catch you. You lock up, you go to court, and you go pay the fine or pay the time. You know what I mean? Congrats, you just played yourself. You know what I mean? People, turn on the yard, obey the law. So much cases already in Jamaica, we have a second death right now. And the more cases are pretty much being identified, more things are happening, more cases, more people are coming forward, more people have the virus. You know, the big C. You know, and that is the next reason why the man locked down the country. You wanna just listen, man. You know what I mean? And for those who are playing the part, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Stay safe. Keep washing your hand. You know what I mean? Yeah. Wipe down the surface. Protect yourself. You know what I mean? Protect your loved ones. You know what I mean? Yeah. Video call them or something. You know what I mean? Or watch a movie, me know more time. It might be boring and thing, but yo, just obey the law. There's a reason why it's there, and it pretty much working. You know what I mean? And thing, but yo, just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment below. Big up on yourself. And let's go on journey the boy. You see it? Ah, shoo!
Releasing dopamine.